Hello and welcome to a video tutorial showing you how to post a Google form inside of your Google Classroom. My name is Tyler Osborne. So there's a variety of ways that you can post a Google form inside of your Google Classroom, but there's two that I prefer the most. I'm going to show you both of those today. So to post a Google form into your classroom, hit the plus button on the side and go to announcement. This is the quickest way to do it. And I might just say something like, please take this quiz. Now you can post a Google form with the link or as an attachment, but the way that I prefer to do it is with the Google Drive. So I'm going to press my Google Drive, and I'm actually going to search for a Bill Nye quiz that I have. So here's a Bill Nye quiz that I have. I'm going to press Add, and then I just press Post, and that's it. That's all I have to do. So when the students click on this link, they will be taken to the into the data entry version of the form, not the edit version of the form. So they don't have my access. Even though I linked it directly from Drive, they don't have edit access to that form. So they'll just take the quiz. Now I like it like this instead of the links or the attachment, because that usually just gives them a line. This actually gives them a little preview, and I find my students access things better if they know what color they're looking for. And I kind of theme all my science is slightly blue, all my math is slightly green, and I just find that it cuts down on some of those mistakes and asking me where things are. The other way that you can post a Google form is in with assignments. So press the plus button again, go to create assignment. And once again, we're going to find the same Bill Nye quiz. I'm just going to type Bill Nye. I'm going to press Add. And this time you have to give it a title. So I'm going to say it's quiz 1. And please take this quiz. Now, scrolling down here, this is something that's a little bit different. There is enable grade importing. Because this is done as an assignment, the grades that students get at the end, I can actually import into the Markbook that's part of Google Classroom. So this isn't available when you post it as an announcement. It's only when you post it as an assignment. So if you do use the Markbook inside of Google Classroom, then you're going to want to post it as assignments. Now I don't. So for me, I'm still going to be assigning my quizzes and stuff as announcements. I just prefer it that way. But this is a consideration for those of you that want to import your grades. So you're going to press Assign. And that's how it looks. So very, very similar. This is just an announcement. It's a little bit lower key. This is an assignment, and it'll show up in their assignment queues. All right, that's everything that you need to know in order to assign quizzes, assign Google Forms inside of your Google Classroom. Thanks for watching.